Do you hear this distortion? And when I switch off the noise blanker of the IC-7300, the distortion is not heard, but of course the noise remains. Do you hear the distortion? Now let's do this again with my RF noise blanker, the NR-1. I have enabled this. You see, no distortion. Let's switch it off again and switch on the the noise blanker of the IC-7300. You see? Let's switch it off. You see, no distortion with the NR-1 noise blanker. That's another example showing the performance of the NR-1 antenna noise blanker in comparison with the internal noise blanker of modern transceivers. Not only the spectrum cleans up, but also the noise blanking action does not cause distortion of the signals. Thanks for watching.